So this day didn't pass in vain. I have reworked the inventory system completely. Let me sleep until the day so it's bright outside. Yeah. So now you can see you do not automatically pick up the items. I implemented a code base I found on GitHub called use to pick up. So now you have to use every item to get it. It adds more strategical decision to what you loot during scavenging. And you actually have to discover items yourself. And now they go into inventory, so you can see them. And if you don't need them, you can drop them. It's a drop key, like this. So if you don't need any item anymore, you can put it down. That's not all. The biggest change is about the weapons. So now when you take a weapon, you cannot equip it. It goes into your backpack. But if you use it from the backpack, now it becomes equipped. So you can manage your loadouts and only equip what you need and carry the rest in the backpack. The most important outcome of this change is now you can pick up multiple weapons of the same type. They will all go into your backpack. So I have overcome the main problem of Doom when you cannot pick up a gun if you already have it. Now you don't technically get a gun, you get a backpack item which you can equip and unequip at whim. And this becomes more useful because now there's more and more different tools. As you can see, I reworked the icons a bit. So if you have a lot of different tools but you don't want to scroll through them, let's say you only want to go fishing, you can equip fishing rod only. If you want to go hunting, you can take an axe and a knife, and now you have a melee loadout. So you can mix and match whatever items you need to have equipped. The armor isn't done yet, but it will be added soon. So the other thing I had to struggle a bit today with is how to handle the scrolling. So if I have a lot of items, you can see they don't all fit on the screen. So I managed to write the code to scroll the inventory up and down. There are all the null reference checks, so it will not crash if you don't have any items or if you have too many items. And now you can basically have unlimited inventory. I think about implementing a carry weight thing, which will slow you down if you have too many things. But before I do that, I need to come up with a storage solution, some place where you can store your items. For example, a trunk on your bike or a storage chest at home. So before you have a storage place, of course, you can still drop the items on the floor. Like this, you can, let's say, drop everything you don't need. You can drop the axe. But until then, since this is not a nice way to store it, I will not implement the weight system until I have a proper storage facility, like a chest. Well, that's it for now. It took a lot of time to actually make it work, but now it is a lot more fun to walk around and find items. And I'll see you in the future. Bye bye.